Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford GT in Need for Speed Heat. First, you'll need to reach rep level 36 in the game. Once you hit that milestone, the Ford GT will become available for purchase at any in-game dealership. Be prepared to spend $342,500 of your hard-earned cash to add this incredible machine to your garage. Make sure you have enough funds before heading to the shop. To quickly boost your rep level, focus on night events. These races offer substantial reputation rewards, crucial for unlocking higher-tier cars. During the day, tackle various challenges and activities to earn additional rep bonuses. Don't forget that successfully escaping police chases at night also provides a significant boost to your reputation, helping you reach rep level 36 faster. Accumulating $342,500 for the Ford GT requires strategic money-making. Prioritize winning high-stakes races, as these offer the largest cash payouts. You can also sell any unused car parts or vehicles from your garage to free up some extra funds. Additionally, completing daily challenges and various activities around Palm City will provide consistent bonus cash to help you reach your goal. Once you've successfully acquired your Ford GT, the real fun begins with customization. Head to your garage to start modifying this beast. You can install a wide array of performance upgrades, from engine swaps to suspension tuning, to significantly enhance its speed, acceleration, and handling. Don't forget to personalize its appearance with custom paint, unique decals, and various body kits to make it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.